captain, my captain, our fearful trip is done. The ship has weathered every rock, the prize we thought it was. The port is near, the best I hear, the people all exulting. When follow eyes, the steady is, the vessel green and dairy. Cut of heart, heart. Oh, the bleeding drops of red, whereon my captain lies, fallen cold and dead. Oh, captain, my captain, rise up and hear the bell. Rise up for you the flag slam, for you the bugle shoot, for you bouquet and ribbon red, for you the shore, a crowdie, for you they call the swaying mass, their eager faces sturdy. Dear captain, dear father, this arm beneath your head. It is some dream that on the deck, fallen, cold and dead. May captain does not answer, his lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my arm, he has no pulse nor will. The ship is anchored safe and sound, age, good and done. From fearful trip, the victor ship comes in with object one. Exalt, ashore, and reach, O bell. But I with mournful strength walk the deck my captain lies, fallen, cold, and dead.